Applying a transdermal patch. Gather the equipment. Check medication order against the original physician's order according to agency policy. Clarify any inconsistencies and check the patient's chart for allergies. Know the actions, special nursing considerations, safe dose ranges, purpose of administration, and adverse effect of the medication to be administered. Consider the appropriateness of the medication for the patient. Perform hand hygiene. Prepare the medication for one patient at a time. Read the medication administration record and select the proper medication from patient's medication drawer or unit stock. Compare the label with the MAR. Check the expiration dates and perform calculations if necessary. When all the medication for one patient has been prepared, recheck the label with the MAR before taking them to the patient and return the medication stock to the patient's drawer. Transport the medications to the patient's bedside carefully and keep the medications in sight at all times. Ensure that the patient receives the medication at the correct time. Identify the patient. Usually, the patient should be identified using two methods. Check the name on the patient's identification band, or if the patient cannot identify him or herself, verify the patient's identification to the significant others. Complete necessary assessments before administering medications. Check allergy bracelet or ask patient about allergies. Explain the purpose and action of each medication to the patient. Perform hand hygiene and put on gloves. Assess the patient's skin where patch is to be placed, looking for any signs of irritation or breakdown. Site should be clean, dry, and free of hair. Rotate application sites as per doctor's order. Remove any old transdermal patches from the patient's skin. Cut into half or fold the old patch in half with adhesive sides sticking together and discard according to hospital policy. Gently wash the area where the old patch was with soap and water. Ensure the gloved hand is thoroughly dry before holding the new patch. Remove the patch from its protective cover. Write your initials and the date and time of administration on the label side of the patch. Remove the covering on the patch without touching the medication surface. Apply the patch to the patient's skin. Use the palm of your hand to press firmly for about 10 seconds. Do not massage. Remove gloves and perform hand hygiene. Evaluate patient's response to medication with appropriate time frame. Document the procedure in the patient's chart.
What a wonderful world.